Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Allied School Mohammedan Campus Summer Prac 2026.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I trust you are doing well. We are now commencing the second phase of the first month summer pack. Look at the page number 24. First activity is write A to F twice time in sequence. Our second activity is learn the spelling. Learn the correct spelling of the following words. K, ab, cab, d, ab, dab, d, ad, dad, b, ad, bad, b, ad, bed, ad, fed. Now look at all these pictures and write the correct spelling according to the picture in these boxes. Class, very well done. On the page number 25, this activity is related to Urdu. हर्फ ते वाले अल्फाज पर तरबूज का बीज चिपकाएं. ते क्याफ तक, बे अलिफ बा ते बात, तेवा तो लाम तोल, रे अलिफ रा ते रात, घे अलिफ घा ते घात. क्लास, इन सब में आपने तरबूज के बीज चिपकाने हैं. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज तस्वीर के नाम का पहला हर्फ लिखें और उसको हाके से मिलाएं. पेपर, पंखा. तेता, तलवार. बेबा, बकरी. तेता, ताला. अब हम इनको इनके हाकों से मिलाएंगे. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज ट्रेस एंड राइट नीटली. Look at the page number 26. Today our topic is feelings change. There is a reference key showing a different emotional presented by emoji like faces, happy, sad, angry, sleepy, sick, scared, silly, surprised. For 1 week, at the end of each day, draw a face to show how you felt. Great job, class. Now open your page number 27. This activity is related to maths. Now open your page number 56. Cut all these numbers and paste here according to the floors. Open the page number 28. This activity is improve your listening skills. Look all these pictures. After listening the beginning sound of this picture, you tick the picture in this circle. First picture is jumbo jacket. Jumbo jacket. Happy horse, lazy lemon, kicking goat, happy king, interesting iguana. Now next activity is write E to L twice time neatly. Open the page number 29. This activity is related to Urdu. Class, पेज नंबर 68 ओपन करें और में से तस्वीर को कट करें और इधर पेस्ट कर दें इन बॉक्सेस में. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज ट्रेस एंड राइट नीटली. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज कौन सी तस्वीर एक ही जैसी आवाज़ से शुरू होती हैं. इन तमाम तस्वीर को देखें. चाबी, जहाज, चूहा, लिफाफा. अब इनमें से देखें कि कौन सी दो पिक्चर्स ऐसी हैं जो एक ही साउंड से शुरू हो रही हैं, एक ही आवाज़ से शुरू हो रही हैं. तो इसमें चाबी और चूहा. एक्सीलेंट वर्क क्लास. लुक एट द पेज नंबर 30. टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज व्हाट आर सेंट. सेंट मीन फ्रेग्रेंस, अरोमा, ओडोर. इन फर्स्ट रो वी सर्कल कुकीज, सोप एंड cucumber. Second row, in second row chicken, fire and orange. In third row we circle the donut, watermelon and flower. Now open the page number 31. This activity is related to maths. Look all these objects. First activity is circle the object which is longer, cross out the object which is shorter. In the second activity, complete printing the numerals on the clock. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Color the big minute hand red. Color the small or hand blue. Excellent class. Now we flip the page number 32. This activity is related to Urdu. Trace and write neatly. In the second activity, तस्वीर के नाम का पहला हर्फ लिखें। इससे आगे क्या आएगा? हे हा हत, हे हा खरबूजा। एट द एंड ऑफ दिस पेज हे के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं। आपने हे के गिर्द छोटी और बड़ी शक्ल के गिर्द दायरा लगाना है, लाइक दिस। वेरी गुड क्लास। Look at the page number 34. The activity in the range, identify and color specific items that appear in the large picture. Excellent work. Look at the page number 35. Write and connect in G to I in order. Second activity is which one begins with the given sound, match and write. H, 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 hippo. G, G, grapes. K, K, key. L, line. Look at the page number 36. Look at these pictures. These are carrots. Circle the group of 10. Now count and circle with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, circle the group of 10. These are eggs. Count and circle with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent work. Now we are moving on page 37. First activity is trace and write neatly. Look, second activity is दायरा लगाएं और लिखें. हे ह हैमा, जीम ज जग, चे च चमगादड़. Very good class. Look at the page number 38. This is an art activity. Follow the steps to make a duckling. Like this. Now open the page number 39. First activity is write E to L twice time neatly. In the second activity, solve the puzzle. Third activity is which one begins with the sound right and write. Jeja, jam. Keka, king. L, leaf. Excellent class. Open the page number 40. Today our topic is rules for a happy day. If you like this rule, you must paste these emojis, and if you dislike this rule, you must paste these emojis also. Now I read these rules. Raise your hand before talking. Share toys. Run in the classroom. Be a good listener. Walk quietly. Use a loud voice. Excellent job. Now open the page number 41. Make a group of 10. Count and write. Excellent job. Open the page number 42. Look at this picture. This is a pictorial story with sight words. Now we read the sentences with sight words. Runs, to, they, and do. A girl runs to a goat. A horse runs to a hippo. An iguana runs to an insect. They run, run, run. They did a good job. Now, at the end of this page, circle the wrong pair. We circle iguana and bird because it is the wrong pair. On the next page, page number 43, this activity is related to Urdu. हर्फ को मुतलका तस्वीर से मिलाते हुए छोटी शक्ल से मिलाएं. जीम जा जग, चेचा चिड़िया, हेहा हजाम, हेहा खरगोश. Next activity is trace and write neatly. At the end of this page, सुने और दायरा लगाएं. Number 1 च, Number 2 ज, Number 3 ह. Open page number 44. Today our topic is smell and talk. Tick those that have a pleasant smell. Cross out those which have an unpleasant smell. Fish, garlic, soap, orange, incense stick, flower, dustbin, perfume. Excellent work. Open page number 45. First activity is write numbers from 11 to 15 in sequence. Second activity is look all these pictures and make a group of 10 and count and write. Excellent work. Now we are moving on page number 46. दिस एक्टिविटी इज रिलेटेड टू उर्दू। दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली तस्वीर पर टिक लगाएं। जे, ज, ज़ेब्रा, डाल, ड, डिब्बा। नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज रंग भरें और तस्वीर के नाम का पहला हर्फ लिखें। चेचा चिड़िया, तेत तितली। नाउ ट्रेस एंड राइट प्रॉपरली। एक्सीलेंट वर्क। On page number 48, complete the second drawing in each box so it looks just like the first one. In the second activity is recognize colors. Trace and color the words and pictures with the matching crayon color. Excellent work. Look at the page number 49. First activity is write K to R in sequence. Second, say and circle O, M, N. And at the end of this page, write the first letter of this picture: ostrich, parrot, ring, mango. Excellent. Look at the page number 50. Copy the given numbers and write neatly in all these boxes. Very good, class. Open the page number 51. Our next activity is draw what is missing. Excellent. Look at the page number 52. This activity is improve your reading skills. Now we read the sentences. Mom has the milk. Mom has the net. Mom has the ox. I can read sight words. Has the. Second activity is write the partner letters. Smaller letters are called partner letters. Third activity is write the beginning sound. Flower, orange, monkey. Excellent job. Now we are moving on page 53. रे से शुरू होने वाली तस्वीर में रंग भरें. सेकेंड एक्टिविटी इज तस्वीर के नाम के पहले हर्फ पर दायरा लगाएं. रेरा रोटी, जालजा जहीरा, हेहा खरगोश. लास्ट एक्टिविटी इज ट्रेस एंड राइट नीटली. वेरी गुड, क्लास. ओपन द पेज नंबर 54. द टॉपिक इज आई कैन फील बेटर. Fear is a feeling. All people feel fear or get scared. Sometimes when you feel scared, you can do things to feel better. Here is an activity for you. Draw a picture of a time you felt scared. In the second activity is circle the pictures that would make you feel better when you feel scared. Hug someone. On the next page, page number 55, draw the correct arrow to complete the code. Excellent work. I hope you are enjoying these fun, instructive activities and continue to practice everything you need to learn. In the next section, we will have more exciting exercises and plenty of fun together. So don't forget to watch the upcoming video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
Let's make this summer a fun, productive, and successful learning journey. Happy learning, students!